Ever feel like your finances are a tangled mess of receipts, bank statements, and crumpled cash? You're not alone. Keeping track of your business's money can be a real headache. But what if there was a way to organize it all, generate reports with a few clicks, and maybe even sleep a little better at night? That's where QuickBooks comes in. It's a popular accounting software that promises to streamline your finances and make bookkeeping a breeze. But here's the real question. Can you, a regular person with no accounting degree, actually use QuickBooks yourself? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. This video will dive into the world of QuickBooks, exploring its features, ease of use, and whether you can conquer it solo. So, grab your coffee, fire up your computer, and let's see if you can become the master of your own financial destiny. QuickBooks for everyone? Not quite. First things first, QuickBooks comes in a few different flavors. There's QuickBooks Online, a cloud-based version you can access from anywhere, and QuickBooks Desktop, a traditional software program installed on your computer. Both have their pros and cons, but for the sake of this discussion, we'll focus on QuickBooks Online, which is generally considered more user-friendly. Now, QuickBooks is powerful. It can handle invoicing, track expenses, generate reports, and even manage payroll, depending on your plan. But that power comes with a bit of a learning curve. Think of it like this. QuickBooks isn't exactly plug and play. There's some basic accounting knowledge you'll need, like understanding the difference between debits and credits, or what a chart of accounts is. The good news? QuickBooks has a ton of resources to get you started. There are tutorials, guides, and even a handy Ask Me Anything community forum. Plus, the interface is designed to be intuitive, with clear menus and helpful prompts. Are you up for the challenge? So, can you do QuickBooks yourself? Here's a breakdown to help you decide. The bookkeeping novice. If you're a one-person operation with straightforward finances, QuickBooks Online can be a good fit. You'll need to invest some time in learning the basics, but the user-friendly interface and helpful resources can get you comfortable with the software. The growing business. As your business expands, so will your accounting needs. If you have employees, complex inventory, or multiple bank accounts, QuickBooks can still be a good option. However, the learning curve gets steeper, and you might find yourself needing to consult the resources more often. Consider attending a QuickBooks workshop or hiring a consultant for a few initial setup sessions. The numbers are scary. Let's be honest, some people just don't have the head for numbers. If the thought of debits and credits makes you break into a sweat, QuickBooks might not be your best friend. In this case, consider outsourcing your bookkeeping to a professional. It might be a cost, but the peace of mind and time saved could be well worth it. QuickBooks can be a powerful tool for managing your business finances, but it's not a magic bullet. You'll need to put in some effort to learn the ropes, especially if your accounting knowledge is rusty. However, the wealth of resources available and the intuitive interface make it a good option for many small businesses, even those without a dedicated accountant. Ultimately, the decision of whether to tackle QuickBooks yourself depends on your comfort level, your business needs, and your budget. Don't be afraid to experiment. QuickBooks offers a free trial so you can take it for a spin and see if it fits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.